Alright guys, you see what we're here with the V-Coptr. And it's a little windy, but it's not or you can't do anything, so okay. Now I will tell you this thing, it binds really fast. It doesn't take off ground and take off. Yeah, it binds up really fast. Let me start the video. And then just take off. Yeah. Nice. Now I think this has a sport mode. Okay, yeah, so there's a thing on the side here. It says L and S. I think S. Let me see, hold on. Sport mode instructions. The flight sensitivity will increase sharply. Okay, let's switch to that. Oh, it's quiet too. Oh yeah, I like the sport mode better. Okay. Oh yeah. Look how quiet it is. It just makes this weird noise when it's like a buzzing. Yeah, definitely cool. It's very stable also. So far I'm really, I'm actually very surprised at this thing. I didn't think it was gonna be this, this stable and stuff. To be honest with you, I thought this was kind of, I don't know, man. I wasn't expecting a lot. Let's put it that way, okay? Let's go there. I wasn't expecting tons from this thing, believe me. I'm just letting it hover for a while. Yes, the V-Coptr is very impressive. It's extremely stable. I'm actually quite stunned at how stable this thing is. I mean, it's not moving at all. I mean, at all. Just sitting right there. Wow. Very impressed. Okay, so now we can go and take it off a little bit. I'm not doing no advanced flight modes or none of that crap today. See how quiet that thing is? Holy cow. Holy tamale, is that thing quiet. Now it says I only have 8 satellites, but we're just gonna go over to this building and back, you know, for the first flight. Wow. Indeedy. There were some gulls that just went by. You see those. They're still circling around up there. I best. Yeah, they're circling, definitely. Oh, yeah. I'm getting away from those jokers. Okay, they left. They took off, but they were circling the dog. Okay, yay. Hi. Oh, it's so quiet. Listen to that. You can barely hear that thing right above me. Wow. Man, am I psyched for this thing. This thing is sweet. Now, I want to see what this other dial does on here. Let me take off this stupid mask. See, I have to, you know, I work right there. So I have to wear this mask all the damn time while I'm at work. So it's like I always have it on. I don't even know I'm wearing it sometimes. Oh, this thing is smooth as glass. Wow, I'm so impressed with this thing so far. It's unreal. Wow. Wow. Sacre blue. Yeah, okay. This thing, holy cow. I got 81% battery still. Hey, this thing might be a real winner, guys. Man, I'm telling you, this thing might be a real winner. And I didn't even do the update on it yet. Okay, here we go. Do I want to do that? Okay, so do I want to even do this update? So that camera will actually point up a little bit too. See that? Let's see how far it goes down. Oh yeah, it'll go straight down. It'll go straight down. Yep. Wow. Boy, who knew, man? Wow. Crazy cool, man. Okay, let me see what's this word that says flying vision. Okay, nothing happens when I hit these buttons. Manual. Okay, so that just gives you the I mean, I haven't done anything. I didn't even calibrate the compass. Okay, so I did nothing. No updates, no calibration, no nothing. You know, it's not toilet bowling or anything. I mean, this thing is, wow, rock solid, man. All right, guys. I'm gonna land, and I'm not gonna try to hand catch because I saw Ken doing it, and it kept trying to take off when it would hit his hand. So, because it's got that vision positioning down at the bottom. So I'm just gonna land it here on the ground. Wow. Holy tamale. Wow, is that thing fantastic. Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay, so I'm really digging this thing. We are digging it. And I had to come back here because over there in the parking lot, I wanted to go over there by the office buildings, but you know, it's a work day, so there's cars and all that over there right now, so I didn't go over there. I came over here, so. All right, guys, I'm gonna take off. You guys have a nice day. I want to stop that screen recording, and I'll see you later. All right, guys, bye bye.